Hello, my name is Stanley, and I hope to persuade you today why you should have basic automotive knowledge. To start with, not only will having basic automotive knowledge save you money, but it'll save you a whole lot of hassle. So, having said basic automotive knowledge, how will that save you money? When shopping for parts, you'll know exactly what you need for your application, as well as the obvious, you'll save tons of money at shops. According to laborrates.com, which update active labor rates based on an average of all shops per state, the average labor rate for Tennessee is $151 an hour. By doing it yourself, you save all labor costs and you skip out on the markup that the shops do on their parts. So your only cost is the part itself and any supplies that you would need. So, what if you need a special part for a job? It may behoove you to invest in a part, or according to usedtools.com, you can buy and resell specialty tools. They hold their value very well because everybody who needs to use that tool is going to use it on a day-to-day basis. So you want to find a website like that, or you can use eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even Craigslist to find secondhand tools to save you money. The last thing, or I should apologize, the next thing, you can, by having basic automotive knowledge, you can do your repair, thus ensuring that the repair is done correctly. According to techniciansblog.com, most technicians will admit that they rush to meet quotas and that they do not torque everything to spec by factory specifications. You must, anything engine related, must torque things to spec as they go through heat cycles. Warming up, cooling. If a bolt is over tightened, it can snap. If a bolt is too loose, the vibration of the engine can cause it to back out, thus losing a point of security. Why do technicians rush? Well, this can come down to laziness, just total disregard. It's not their vehicle, they don't care, they're there for a paycheck, or also inexperience. Also on laborrates.com, it is saying that because labor rates are at an all-time high as of the moment, there's got to be a reason for that. Technicians don't want to work. Unfortunately, nobody at the moment wants to work. That contributes to high labor rates, which having this basic automotive knowledge will save you money. So, you may ask yourself, well, if I have to have a shop work on my vehicle, where should I take it? The answer to that question, according to California Automotive Administration, the California Automotive Administration, is an ASE certified shop, Automotive Service Excellence awarded shop, is where they say that you should take your vehicle. The issue with this, we talked earlier about how shops are struggling to find technicians, mechanics that can work and fill those positions, to roll the cars out, to meet quotas, thus being profitable. Because of this, unfortunately, you get the rush jobs. you get the laziness, and you get the disregard. Well, according to A&J Automotives and Steve's Imports, you need to form, it is absolutely imperative you form, based off of reviews and personal experience, your own view on a shop. It's unfortunately, it's the only way to go about it. Thus, having said automotive knowledge will save you money, headache, time, and overall, just the entire hassle about it. The last thing I'm going to touch on is retail protection. This has been a huge topic in the automotive industry, as unfortunately there are some crooked mechanics and shops that take advantage of certain demographics. And according to the Better Business Bureau, these demographics are the elderly and women. Stereotypically, the elderly don't know much about newer vehicles, and stereotypically, which is not always the case, women don't know as much as men per se about vehicles. Thus, they make themselves a likely victim for shop scams, and this can include showing flaky silvery oil, which will indicate that your transmission, your differential, your transfer case, or your engine is about to fail. Or they may do what's called a show and tell sale, where they show you a failed part. It's not all the time that they'll do this, but when they do, it is imperative that you check. Just a quick Google search can save you a whole lot of money. That actually is a part from your vehicle. But going back, so ASC shops, Automotive Service Excellency, according to their very website, any shop that has not had a scam reported. However, it is imperative that you form your own decision, according to AJ Automotive and Steve's Imports. I hope that I taught you something today, and I can help you save a little bit of money, hassle, and stress when having to deal with automotive maintenance and repairs. Thank you.